This is the weekly Spanish review for Mr. Jones' class. This is for Spanish 1. This week, we learned the verb ser, which is to be. We've already learned the personal pronouns like yo, tú, él, ella, usted. We learned that yo means I, tú means you, él is he, ella is she, usted is you formal. Before we also learned that nosotros is we, ellos is they, and ustedes is you all. Now we added something this week with the verb to be. If we want to say I am, it's soy. So I'm going to go down some of the pronunciations. As you can see, tú eres, él, ella, usted es, nosotros somos, ellos, ustedes son. Let's do some examples for each one. So this week we also studied our vocabulary and some of the new words like short and tall, alto or bajo. We could say nationalities like americano. So I want to use those words now to make some sentences. So if I want to say I am tall, yo soy alto. If I wanted to say you are tall, tú eres, and then our adjective, alto. We can make some sentences with nationalities, like you are American. Tú eres americano, or another word we can use is estadounidense. So we can make some sentences with ser. For example, él es dominicano. He is Dominican. We are students. I'll type this one out. Nosotros somos, and then we know our word for students is alumnos. Ellos son alumnos. They are students. So we want to take what we already knew, which was those adjectives like alto and bajo, and now we want to combine them with ser to make our sentences. A few more sentences we can practice. So Carlos is funny. Now we know the word for funny is gracioso or cómico. So now we just got to use our verb ser. So when we're talking about Carlos, we're talking about él. So with that one, we use es, because remember, it's not yo soy, it's not tú eres, but it's es. So we can make our sentence, Carlos es gracioso. For this one, the boys are interesting. Los muchachos. Now since it's a group of boys, we know it's ellos, they. And if we remember back to our verb ser, ellos son. So los muchachos son interesantes. She and I are hardworking, so we know she is ella, yo, which is I. So now if it's she and I, it's like we. So we're going to use somos ambiciosos. And then the last one, he and she are serious. So we've got ella, él son serios. Just a few examples we can use to make sentences with ser.